Hey guys, it's Cam at Duraley. Today we're going to be talking about our Hypercool Extreme Series cooler and the uses it has in the EV market. So these coolers are rated for any kind of glycol on the market, any coolant. You can use it with mineral oil, but we are working with a few current EV market suppliers and using this unit for battery cooling. The fan is IP68, so it's sealed for all environments. The cooler is outputting 67,000 BTU from the massive core. The bracketry does have a standoff built into it, so you don't have to do any spacers, anything like that. It's ready to go right out of the box. Just plumb it into the cooling system for your EV and watch the battery temp drop as this thing goes to work.